19-year-old Alan Reed was shot and killed in Omaha in August 2022. The accused killer, just 13 years old.
Now, the recommendation to release that teenager from a youth facility in Lincoln is causing a strong reaction. KETV Newswatch 7's Aaron Hagerty is in the newsroom. Aaron?
After more than an hour, they couldn't get through all the testimony, and the hearing was continued until tomorrow. Because the alleged killer was 13 at the time, state law doesn't allow the boy to be charged as an adult. In the courtroom, there was some strong opposition to the boy's possible release. This is where prosecutors say a 13-year-old shot and killed 19-year-old Alan Reed, and a 15-year-old drove a getaway car back in August 2022. Last year, Reed's mom put up a billboard calling for stricter juvenile justice. Now a judge is hearing arguments about whether his alleged killer, now 15, should be released from the Youth Rehabilitation and Treatment Center in Lincoln with an ankle monitor.
If this happens, then that is not justice. That is injustice. That is a slap in the face to the victims and families.
Tamika Meese is the director of the North Omaha Community Partnership.
That's not even fair to the person that commits the crime, because that is not enough time to be rehabilitated.
Brenda Beadle made the argument for the state.
I don't think he's ready to be released at this time. He's been there for 7 months, and I think there's plenty of room for growth and programming.
Omni Inventive Care CEO Dr. Bill Ray testified that he evaluated the alleged murderer. He said he could be released, but he also says he's not sure if the boy understands the gravity of what he's accused of. Meese warning of the impact a release could have.
We'll have these adults that will get these younger kids to commit these crimes and say, hey, you're going to be the hood hero. If this decision is for him to be released back into the public this soon, we haven't seen anything yet. It's going to get a whole lot worse.
To make their argument, the state also said the boy recently punched another inmate more than once. Again, a decision has not been made yet. The hearing is set to start again at 3:15 tomorrow. Back to you.